tomatoes. We're roasting a chicken in a Bundt pan. Why would you want to roast a chicken in a Bundt pan? You're about to find out. So you can roast a chicken in any number of things. You can use a cast iron skillet, you could use a roasting pan, but today we're going to use a Bundt pan, and here's how you do it. This is nice because it's kind of a one-pan meal. So first you're gonna put your vegetables in the bottom. Carrots, roast chicken classic. This is gonna cook for like 45 minutes to an hour, so you wanna make sure they're in big enough chunks that they're not gonna turn to mush. You want 1 onion cut into wedges. And baby potatoes, about 1.5 pounds. And all of that goes in the bottom of the Bundt pan. The next thing we're gonna do is mix up a little rub, a seasoning mix. You can use whatever you like, but I'm going with paprika, thyme, garlic powder, onion powder, and salt and pepper, of course. Mix that up, and then you're gonna use half of that on the vegetables and half of that on the chicken. Drizzling this with olive oil, about a tablespoon, and then you're gonna take half of the seasoning mixture, toss that over the veggies, and just kind of get everything coated. And the vegetables are gonna do 2 things. They're gonna round out your meal, but also they're gonna create a nice little bed for the chicken, and all of the chicken drippings, since we're setting this chicken on the top, are gonna drip down and season those vegetables, and they will be delicious. You wanna take a piece of foil and then cover the hole in the middle of the Bundt pan so you don't have chicken juice all over your oven. So why are we cooking chicken in a Bundt pan? Great question. It's kind of like an easy rotisserie chicken at home because the chicken is gonna get a lot of air circulation, so it's gonna be crispier. Those juices are gonna drip down onto the vegetables. A lot of times when I roast a chicken just in a pan, I don't put any oil on it, but today we wanna kind of create a rub. So I'm using some fat, you could use butter, I'm using olive oil. Drizzle it over the chicken. You're gonna take that seasoning mix, sprinkle it over the whole thing, and then rub it in. And this is how you're gonna do it. You're gonna take the chicken cavity at the bottom and just set it on that foil covered hole there. And there you have it, chicken in a Bundt pan. Then you are going to pop this in a 425-degree oven. You want to hit 165 in the thigh here. All right, see you soon. Here she is. Look at that. We've got crispy skin, and look at these potatoes. Amazing. And at the bottom of the pan here, you've got all this incredible drippings that you can pour over the whole thing. Try this out.